Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and update on Luna Classic. We'll do a full update, mainly talking about the technicals. I mean, the technicals right now are quite important. We're seeing that Luna Classic is slowing down a little. Obviously we were very volatile since the beginning of June. So for the last 2 weeks or so, and right now you can see that we're cooling down a little bit, but we'll talk about that. I mean, it doesn't mean that it's necessarily over. And just in general, I'll tell you what to expect in terms of movements. Apart from that, I'll also give you an update on the whole situation of TERRA Classic, how it's doing, are there any proposals you should know about, what's going on with the Luna Classic USDC repack, basically everything you need to know. If you are interested in these updates, by the way, I do them more often, so consider subscribing if you like it. And if you don't, well then, still thank you for watching. But before we dive into Luna Classic specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you will find instructions on how to join. It's basically like a signal group, but there's also a more exclusive chat room. All kinds of traders where we actually do make quite a lot of money. So if you are interested in that, check out those links. But now onto a Luna Classic. So first of all, to start off with a big overview, there's no new proposals we need to know about. Like nothing of this is passing probably. There are also not major proposals. I mean, they're not going to make the market move. Like I've been saying quite a lot over the last couple of videos, Luna Classic has actually been doing quite well for talking about the burn tax. This is a graph of the burn tax. And you can see that 0.5% increase, or at least the increase to 0.5%, so it's a 0.3% increase, is working. I mean, we're getting spikes more often, but apart from that, we're also just the baseline has increased. So that's good on the long term. I mean, back when the price was right here, what I said is that I did expect a rally for Luna Classic. Right now, I think we have kind of exhausted the momentum that we could get from Luna Classic with all of this volatility. But most of that volatility also came really from USDC. I mean, right now you can see that Luna Classic is losing a lot of volume, which is probably also going to cause that volatility and just the potential, the bullish potential to drop down. But you can see most of that bullish movement was also caused by those bullish movements by USDC. So it's if you want to analyze Luna Classic, you should actually analyze USDC as well. Right now, it seems unlikely that we'll have some sort of a rally coming from there. And just in general, like I said, I mean, everything just kind of points towards it slowing down. So for now, what I think is going to happen is that there's this, with Luna Classic, there's this little level in the middle of this bigger key area, which we are in right here. And I think this is like, if we really want to rally again up to levels right here at around 10,000 and 9,800, this level, if we want to get there again, like this is the level from which we should do it. We drop down first of all the way to the bottom of this kind of consolidation which we have been in. But from there, I mean, we got some bullish momentum, but now we got to actually get that bullish break retest and to get a bullish breakout above 9,200. If we can get that, then I think we can actually rally again. But like I've also tried to state a little bit in this video, I think that's unlikely. I don't think it's in line with what I expect from Bitcoin. So in general, from the market, it's not what I expect, but it's also not something that looks likely for Luna Classic. When looking at the volume, when looking at USDC, and just in general the momentum around the project. So I think it's more likely that we will not find that type of support. We might find some support, but then we'll just find resistance at 9,200 and drop down to these levels around 8,500 and probably down towards 8,300 afterwards. That's what I think is most likely. But yeah, that's my take on Luna Classic for now. So if you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.